Hi, welcome to Physics 2049. Over the next couple of minutes, I'll walk you through the first day program and how you can use it to access the e-text Mastering and Learning Catalytics directly through web courses. First day is a great program because it will save you money, but it also makes it easy for you to access the material that you need for this course. There's two very important things that you must do before the opt-in deadline ends, which is Friday, January 14th, which is also the drop add deadline. So this very first week of class, make sure you click on modules. This is how you're going to find the e-text Mastering and Learning Catalytics. And number two is look for the course materials button. This is where you're going to have access to the opt-in and opt-out options. So the books that will be used for this course are the Essential University Physics by Wolfson, and assignments will be given in Mastering, and you're going to have also access to Learning Catalytics. You have free open access during the drop add period, but in order to keep this access, you have to opt in. So let me show you how you can do that. So number one, remember, is to click on modules. This very first week of class, you have open access to the e-text and any of the mastering links on the right-hand side. And then the very first time you click on modules, you're going to have to agree to the terms of use and then hit continue. And then you're going to have access to the e-text and mastering. Step two is you're going to have to look for the course materials button and opt in. If you opt in before the deadline, which is Friday, January 14th, or if you're making changes, the absolute deadline is Sunday, January 16th, opt in order to get the $58 rate. This $58 will cover your cost for the e-text, Mastering, and Learning Catalytics. So you've seen this screen before, but to walk through it one more time, you're going to click on Course Materials, you're going to opt in, click Confirm, and then watch, because you will receive an email to your Knight's email address. Check that email carefully, make sure that you've opted into the right course. Remember, each course you have to opt in for, and if you make any changes, such as changing to a different section, you're going to have to opt in again. So make sure you have that email, and make sure that you opt in before January 14th, or at the very latest Sunday, January 16th. So in moving forward, how do you access the e-text? You're going to find it under the Modules tab. You can look for it under Pearson eText, or your instructor may have labeled it slightly differently. Mastering assignments are also given under the Modules tab. Your instructor may change this, but there is a Mastering course home or direct links to the assignments. In Learning Catalytics, once you are in the home page on Mastering under the Modules tab, look on the upper right and you'll see a Learning Catalytics link. If you miss the opt-in deadline or you choose to opt out, you will lose access to the e-text and mastering sometime after the drop add period. If you want to regain access, you must go to the bookstore or the bookstore website, and you're going to purchase, but you're going to pay the national price, which is much higher. It's around $70. If you've lost access and you repurchase, it can take 24 to 48 hours for you to regain access. So again, if you didn't opt in or you chose not to and then you want to purchase, go to the bookstore or to the UCF bookstore website, and remember it takes 24 to 48 hours to reactivate. If you need help with first day questions about the email or whether you're opted in or opted out, go to the bookstore or call the 800 number. If you have questions about Mastering, the e-text, or Learning Catalytics, contact Pearson. You can scan this QR code and connect with me via Zoom during the first week of class, or you can choose this other QR code and you can connect with me through a form, and I'll get back to you via email. Throughout the semester, tech support's available. Live support is 10 a.m. to 10 p.m., but 24-hour support is always available. You can scan this QR code or go to just Pearson Technical Support through Google. It's always a good thing to clear your cache and cookies, so if you're having problems with Pearson's e-text or Mastering, just clear your cache and cookies. That solves 99% of the problems. Check your browser settings, and again, here is tech support if you need it. I know you're going to have a great semester, but reach out if you have any questions. Thanks.